Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, November 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, but I'm a bit tired. This week is busy with sales calls.
Yeah, me too. My projects keep me up late. Want some coffee?
Sure. Black for me, please. Hey, did you hear about that trade deal between the US and South Korea?
No, tell me, what happened?
Well, they reached an agreement. President Trump visited and talked about it. It's about lowering tariffs on goods from South Korea.
Tariffs? You mean the extra taxes on imports, right?
Yes, exactly. Now, tariffs will go down to 15%. That makes things cheaper.
Oh, I see. So cars and electronics from there will cost less in the US.
Right? And South Korea will invest $350 billion in the US. That's a lot of money for new factories and jobs here.
That's good for the economy. As a project manager, I think it helps with supply chains. We get parts faster and cheaper.
Totally. For my sales job, it's perfect. I can offer better prices to clients, more deals, you know.
But some people complain. They say it hurts local workers. What do you think, David?
Maybe a bit. But overall, it's win-win. Businesses grow and we all benefit.
True. I read it could create thousands of jobs in manufacturing. That's positive.
Yeah, like in auto parts. Our company might buy more from them. Less waiting time.
Exactly. It makes planning easier for projects. No delays from high costs.
And Trump said it's almost final. Good news for trade.
Yes. It shows countries can talk and agree, not always fights.
True. Now pass the sugar? Thanks. Anyway, speaking of business and tech, have you seen what happened with NVIDIA?
NVIDIA? The company that makes computer chips?
Yes. They just became the first company worth $5 trillion. Can you believe it?
Wow, really? That's a huge number. How did that happen so fast?
It's all about AI. Their chips power artificial intelligence. Everyone wants them now.
AI is big these days. It helps with smart computers and apps.
Right? NVIDIA's stock went up a lot. From $4 trillion just 3 months ago.
3 months? That's quick. The AI boom is real.
Yeah. And they have deals in Asia. Like with South Korea for more chips.
Interesting. In my projects, we use AI tools. It saves time on reports.
Me too. Imagine sales forecasts with AI. No more guessing.
But is it safe? Some say AI takes jobs.
Maybe in some areas. But it creates new ones like tech support.
I agree. We need to learn. Companies train us for that.
Exactly. NVIDIA's CEO is happy. More orders coming.
Yes, it's exciting. Tech changes everything in offices.
For sure. Our computers could get those chips soon. Faster emails.
Haha, yes. But let's not get too excited. Work waits.
True. Hey, on another topic, did you hear about that stabbing incident on a train in the UK?
Yes, I saw it on the news. It's terrible.
Police say a man stabbed people. 2 are in serious condition.
Life-threatening, right? It happened on a busy train.
Yeah, in London area. Not terrorism, they say, but still scary.
Knife attacks are a problem there. Why do they happen?
Good question. Some blame not enough police or social issues.
Society needs help. Better mental health support, maybe?
Right. In offices like ours, we feel safe. But trains, crowded places.
True. I travel by train sometimes. Now I think twice.
Me too. Hug your family extra, you know.
Yes, it's sad. Makes you value peace.
And UK leaders talk about new laws. More checks on knives.
Hope it works. Prevention is key.
Yeah, anyway, enough bad news. This coffee hits the spot.
It does, strong and hot. Perfect start.
So what's your day like? Big meeting?
Yes, with the team. Review project timelines.
Sounds busy? Mine is calls all morning. Clients asking for quotes.
With the trade deal, quotes will be better.
Hope so. NVIDIA news might boost tech sales too.
Definitely. And the UK thing reminds us to stay safe.
Wise words. Okay, I need to go. Report to finish.
Me too. See you later. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.